Suppose the world is about to be destroyed and we have very little time. We have to go to another planet to save humanity. What planet do you think it will be? When we look at the night sky, we see so many stars. It is said that there are not as many grains of sand on Earth as there are stars. But while we have yet to find many planets, not all of them are habitable. But there are some planets we have found that could be our next home. So I am Sourashis Chakraborty. You are watching AstroSourashis. In today's video, I will tell you about some of the planets that have been discovered that could be our next home. First on our list is Proxima Centauri. It's about 4.24 light years away from Earth, located in the constellation Centauri. Proxima Centauri b orbits the star at a distance of about 7.5 million kilometers, which is much closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Proxima Centauri b is roughly the same size as Earth. Its mass is about 1.17 times that of Earth, so it's considered a rocky planet like our own. It's located in the Goldilocks zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist, an important factor for potential life. Proxima Centauri b is one of the closest planets we know that might have conditions suitable for life, making it very exciting for scientists studying alien worlds. Everything is perfect, right? But there are some problems here too. Proxima Centauri is a small cool star called a red dwarf. It's not very bright but is active and sends out strong bursts of radiation. This could make the planet's surface harsh for life as we know it. The planet might always show the same side to its star, meaning one side could be extremely hot and the other extremely cold. The twilight zone between these sides could have the right temperatures for life. We don't yet know if Proxima Centauri b has an atmosphere which would protect it from radiation and help maintain surface water. But what is important to us? If Proxima Centauri b has water and an atmosphere, it could be one of the best places to look for life outside our solar system because it's so close. Astronomers hope to study it in more detail using advanced telescope or even send tiny spacecraft there in future like the Breakthrough Starshot project. Next we have Kepler 452b. Kepler 452b is located 1400 light years away from Earth in the constellation called Cygnus. It was discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope in 2015. Kepler 452b orbits a star similar to our Sun. This star is just a little older, bigger and brighter than the Sun. The planet is in the habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Not too hot, not too cold. It's about 60% larger than Earth. Scientists call it a super Earth. We don't know for sure, but the conditions on Kepler 452b could potentially support life. It likely has a rocky surface like Earth and may have water, but there's no direct evidence yet. A year on Kepler 452b is about 385 days, very close to Earth's 365 days. Kepler 452b is heavier than Earth, so its gravity is stronger. If you weighed 100 pounds on Earth, you would feel like you weighed about 200 pounds there. Its star is older, so the planet might have a hotter environment compared to Earth. But Kepler 452b is incredibly far away. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 1400 years to get there. Current space technology is nowhere near fast enough. Next we have TRAPPIST-20. TRAPPIST-20 is one of 7 planets orbiting a small, cool star called TRAPPIST-1, located about 40 light years away from Earth in the constellation of Aquarius. This star system has caught the attention of scientists because it contains planets that are similar in size to Earth, and some of them might even support life. TRAPPIST-20 is very close in size and mass to Earth, making it a rocky planet like ours. Scientists believe that TRAPPIST-20 could have liquid water, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. However, this is still being studied. The star TRAPPIST-1 is a small, dim red dwarf. While such stars can sometimes be very active and send harmful radiation to their planets, TRAPPIST-1 appears relatively calm, which is good for the possibility of life on its planets. The planet might be tidally locked. This could create extreme temperature differences. LHS-1140b. LHS-1140b is a fascinating planet located about 49 light years away from Earth in the constellation Cetus. It orbits a small dim star called the red dwarf, which is much cooler and smaller than our Sun. It's called a super Earth, which means it's larger and heavier than Earth, or smaller than gas giants like Neptune. LHS 1140b is about 1.6 times the size of Earth and 6.5 times more massive. This suggests it has a rocky surface like our planet. Even though the red dwarf star is much cooler than our Sun, LHS 1140b is close enough to receive just the right amount of heat. Scientists believe LHS 1140b may have a thick atmosphere. This atmosphere could protect the planet from harmful radiation from its star. Observations suggest that the planet might have water, either on its surface or in its atmosphere. Red dwarfs are known for their long lifespan, but can also emit flares. However, LHS 1140 appears to be calmer, which increases the chances for habitability on its planet. LHS 1140b is considered one of the best places to search for signs of alien life because of its size, composition, and position in the habitable zone. Its atmosphere, if studied in detail, could reveal if the planet has the right conditions for life. LHS 1140b completes one orbit around its star every 24.7 days, meaning a year on LHS 1140b is less than a month on Earth. Next planet is Teegarden b. Teegarden b was discovered in 2019 by a team of astronomers using data from the Carmenes telescope in Spain. It orbits a star called Teegarden star, a red dwarf located about 12.5 light years from Earth. That's quite close in cosmic terms. Teegarden b is very similar to Earth in size and mass. It's what scientists call a terrestrial planet, meaning it has a rocky surface like Earth. It's located in the habitable zone of its star. Teegarden b orbits its star very quickly. A year on Teegarden b is just 4.91 Earth days long. This is because it is much closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. Teegarden star is a cool and dim red dwarf, which means the planet doesn't get too hot despite being close to the star. It is one of the oldest stars known, estimated to be about 8 billion years old. Scientists are excited about Teegarden b because its condition might support life. It's estimated to have surface temperatures similar to Earth's. If it has an atmosphere, it might protect the planet from harmful radiation and allow water to remain liquid. However, we don't know for sure if Teegarden b has water, an atmosphere, or life. Future telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope might help us find out. It's far away, so direct observation is difficult. Red dwarf stars like Teegarden star often produce powerful solar flares that could harm life on nearby planets. And the last one, Kepler-22b. Kepler-22b is about 600 light years away from Earth. It orbits a star similar to our Sun called Kepler-22, which is slightly smaller and cooler than the Sun. Kepler-22b is about 2.4 times the size of Earth, making it a super-Earth or a mini-Neptune. Scientists aren't sure if it has a rocky surface like Earth or if it's more like Neptune, with thick layers of gas. If Kepler-22b has an atmosphere like Earth's, its average temperature might be around 72 degrees Fahrenheit or 22 degrees Celsius. Please send an Earth-like. However, scientists don't know what its temperature is made of. If it's too thick or full of greenhouse gases, the planet might be very hot. A year on Kepler-22b is 290 days, a little shorter than Earth year. It was the first planet found in a habitable zone by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. While we don't know if it has water or life, it's one of the best candidates for further study. But we don't know some things like, does it have water? Is its surface rocky or gaseous? What is its atmosphere made of? So, what do you think? Which one you want to live on? I really want to know. Don't forget to let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to tell me which space journey would you like to go on next. Thanks a lot for watching the full video. See you in the next video. Stay well.